As a result of policy changes, some activists like Jose Patino worry that undocumented individuals will avoid seeking medical care at hospitals.
It makes no sense to me if that is your strategy to create a more prosperous country economically or a safe environment.
The DHS emphasized the importance of law enforcement having full access to sensitive areas. They released a statement saying criminals will no longer be able to hide in America's schools and churches to avoid arrest. The Trump administration will not tie the hands of our brave law enforcement and instead trust them to use common sense. Arizona Senator John Kavanaugh supports this policy change as he remembers his past in law enforcement.
On some occasions, while we were arresting somebody, they would be injured, requiring hospitalization, and a police officer went to the hospital with them, and they were handcuffed to the bed. And the police officer stayed there.
In a statement, Valleywise Health says Valleywise Health will comply with all laws, rules, and regulations while also making sure any individual who presents to our hospital or community health centers receives the care they need. Hospitals are required by law to provide life-saving treatment to anyone, regardless of ability to pay or status. Banner Health sent Cronkite News this statement saying Banner is committed to providing high-quality care to each patient. We work collaboratively with law enforcement agencies to protect public safety and will continue to comply with all state and federal laws. That includes complying with state and federal laws that protect patient privacy and personal information. Some supporters of the directive believe that arresting undocumented people in hospitals is important to ensure that dangerous individuals remain in custody.
If there's somebody who should be picked up by ICE and they're in a hospital and ICE decides they don't want to just come back later and hope that they're still there, they want to take them to custody. They can do that, and the person would stay at the hospital to get treatment, but they would be under ICE custody.
Patino disagrees with these policy changes, and he encourages people to remain calm when facing challenges.
I always give them first, calm down, let's breathe, let's process this together. Because when you get it, you make mistakes or you do things incorrectly that are going to harm you is when you are agitated.
In Phoenix, Arielle Nelson, Cronkite News.